Giggles and grapes.
Hi guys, let's learn about the 5 senses today.
We see with our eyes. Use your sense of sight to see with us. What can you see? A rainbow. A whale. A bench. Good job. Now comes our nose and the sense of smell. We can smell many things around us. It can be good or bad. Can you tell which of these things smell good or bad? What do you think about flowers? Do they smell good or bad? Good. The smell is floral. How does a trash can smell?
Ew!
Bad. The smell is vile. How does a cotton candy smell? Good. It smells sweet. How does a strawberry smell? Good. It smells fruity. How does the socks smell if we don't wash them?
Ew!
Stinky. Have you ever smelled mud? The smell is earthy. Some people like it and some don't, just like that of a soap. The smell is soapy. Next is the sense of touch. We can touch different things to feel them. It can feel soft as cotton, hard as a bottle cap, rough as a paper, spongy as a sponge, and sticky as a glue. We have ears for sense of hearing. Can you guess what or who is it by using them? Let's do this. Any guesses? It's a dog. Time for a next one. Any guesses? It's a racing car. Time for a next one. Any guesses? It's a stirring spoon. This was tough. Last one, guys. Any guesses? This one was a tricky one. Because it was quiet. When there is no sound, it's silent. We have a tongue to taste things. Some things can taste sweet, some can taste salty. Some taste sour and some taste bitter. These are the basics. This video is in collaboration with chocolate chip cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.